If you are struggling to build the website for your wrap shop or your sign shop, if you don't know where to start to build your website, if you don't know which page you need, which page to optimize, I'm going to show you right now. It's going to help you to save a ton of hours to build your website for your wrap shop. So without further ado, let's go. So I'm going to show you the sitemap, which is the architecture of the website. It's like the skeleton, it's just the pages. I'm not going to go through the entire content. I'm going to go through each page and then show you some sections. So first, obviously, it's the homepage. I already made a video and I invite you to watch this video where I go in detail about every single section about the homepage. I am going to put a link in the description. So for the homepage, I'm going to just click on it and then show you the outline, which is obviously the presentation as the first section, then the problems, benefits, list of services, business intro as your bio, the reviews, the process, which is how it works, how to get started with you, and then get a free quote. For the rest of it, at the top right, you see those two pages, which is free quote and schedule. So they are not attached to the sitemap because this is the pages that you always want to be accessible from any page. One is a free thing. It's basically the freebie. It can be something else you have in mind. And the rest is a schedule. So like a book an appointment. It's like when people are ready to work with you, boom, they go to this section. So how do they get access to this? So for example, the homepage, as you saw here, get a free quote. You don't want them to say like schedule a service. Why? Well, because they don't know you so much about you have to offer. So maybe they're just going to start with, okay, just give me something free. But then the money pages, which are here, for example, like few services I listed, you might have less, you might have more. You have to imagine this is the navigation, the menu you have at the top of your website. And it's very simple. You don't want to overwhelm your visitors. So full wrap, for example, fleet service, color change, detailing, the portfolio, and about us. In the first service, I'm going to show you the block. You have, what is it? What is your service about? Why do you offer it? Why people need it? So for example, here you show the problems. What are you going to solve for them? The benefits, why they should use your services. What are they going to benefit from working with you? And then after that, the proof, right? So previous work, before, after, case studies, maybe if you have any, the reviews, obviously, how it works, which is similar as the homepage when I said the steps. So in 3 steps, how easy it is to work with you to do a full wrap service. And then you don't say get a free quote here, you say schedule a service. In the navigation, you're going to always have your freebie somewhere, which is a call or like a free quote, a free estimate. But here you want to schedule a service. And this is where you say like, hey, give me a deposit. And then for all the other services, you're going to follow the same logic. Not going to be the same content, obviously, for commercial wrap. You're not going to say exactly the same benefits as a color change or detailing. Next, portfolio. Well, nothing crazy. You know what it is. You show your photos, videos, even better. But be careful. You have to show the most efficient, the best of the best. Don't go with 300 photos. It's going to be annoying to load. And then about us. So obviously the story, I'm going to show you a bit more. The story about you, the team, and even if you are by yourself, talk about you. So then the values, which is, are you somebody who take care a lot of having a close relationship with your customers? Are you somebody who's like very professional and work in the detail? The reviews, here you can like go all in, like 20, 30, all the reviews you can have as much as possible. If you have videos, it's even better. And then here you list all your services very briefly, and then you end up with get a free quote. So here I show 4 services. Let's say you have less, well, we don't have to talk about it. You just show less services. But now let's say you have, I don't know, you have maybe like 7 services. So in the navigation, it might not fit. It might be crazy. It might be overwhelming for your visitors. So what you can do is either build a bridge between the home and those services and having a page in between, it was just going to list all your services. So then in your navigation, It's going to be services, and then under, you're going to have all of those. Or another option could be, I can lay this other services, and then under, let's say you do PPF, and then let's say another one, you custom route. Here you go. So then in navigation, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, then another service page when you're going to have all of those, and then boom, boom. Basically, those are the ones that are like the best seller, or the one you are currently prioritizing because you want to make, more money from it. Next, here it says footer pages, but you don't have to put them actually in the footer pages. You don't have to actually show them at all in your website up front. I'm going to explain a little bit more. The only page that for sure you need in your footer page is your terms or your privacy and policy. But everything here is not necessary. Why? Okay, contact us. On all your pages, you're going to have those 2 ways to contact you. You're going to always also have maybe your phone number somewhere. I didn't put it there. But contact us. You people are going to send you a form to work with you, which is here, schedule, right? And so you can have this page, but you can have it on, let's say, on a link from the About Us page. For the other pages, like I'm going to go with service areas. So let's say you are located in Miami. So here, this homepage is going to talk a lot about we are a wrap shop, we are a sign shop in Miami. But let's say you are serving other areas like South Beach. Well, you're going to name this page wrap shop in South Beach. And then the sections going to be the same as your homepage. So it's going to be, this is a South Beach wrap shop, and this is the same problem we are solving for you guys, yada, yada. So the reason why I said you don't want to show those pages inside your footer is because people, if they land from this page or all those other pages and they see this, they're going to be like, wait, hold on, this is the same thing. And then if they see other areas, I'm like, this is not necessary. So how the visitor is going to find out about those pages? Well, through Google SEO. So what's going to happen is like when somebody is going to search South Beach wrap shop, they're going to end up on this page. And then from this page, then they're going to see the rest of the navigation, which is here. So then, boom, they're going to visit the rest of the website. So you do the same for any other location. So for example, for Lauderdale, etc., etc. Then for articles, it's the same. You don't have to put them in the footer. You could having it on your homepage as a section, and you can say here, you can put like 3 articles just to bring that you are an expert in the area. You can just have people to find you through Google. So let's say you create an article about offering full wrap in South Beach, and then Google will be able to rank it, and then people are going to land on this page, and they're going to be like, you know what, I'm interested to see your services. So I'm going to show you a very short way to show your article, obviously the content, and then in this page, you would say like, well, get a free quote or other articles. And the content has to link to one of the services that you are talking about. So obviously, you're not going to talk about all your services. So let's say an article about color change in Miami, then it's going to link to this page. The goal is most of the time to link everything to your money pages. So that's it, guys. I hope it was helpful. And if you need help how to build a website, well, let me know in the DMs. Otherwise, see you later.